हम तीनों भाई बहन करने वाले हैं 24 आवर्स इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का चैलेंज बस ऑन रोड। आई एम ब्रो यू कैन। जय श्री राधे राधे राधे। कैसे आप सभी लोग? तो भाई आज हम आए एकदम फारूक ब्लॉग के साथ में। आज का थोड़ा चैलेंज एकदम आज पता हम लोग क्या करने वाले, हम तीनों भाई बहन हम तीनों भाई पता क्या करने वाले। आज हम लोग करने वाले 24 आवर्स इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का चैलेंज। हाँ शायद मुझको थोड़ी बहुत आती हो, लेकिन आज तुम दोनों की सच्चाई पता चलेगी तुम दोनों में से किसको नहीं आती और किसको आती। मैं तो नहीं गाइस मुझे आती है, पर मैं तो अभी अबॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, मुझे नहीं आती यार, बिल्कुल नहीं आती। अबे यार मैं एकदम टूटी फूट। भाई तो चल के देखते हैं, और हम पता है हम लोगों से भी इंग्लिश में जाके कुछ हमको खाना पीना तो हम उनसे भी इंग्लिश में ही सामान मांगेंगे। आज हम जो भी करेंगे 24 घंटे तक सिर्फ इंग्लिश में करेंगे, चाहे वो कैब हो, चाहे छोले कुलचे, चाहे छोले भटूरे, जो भी खाएंगे जो भी निकालेंगे सब इंग्लिश में निकालेंगे, सब इंग्लिश में खाएंगे। सो गाइस नाउ वी आर 24 इंग्लिश चैलेंज, ठीक है ना? तो गाइस अभी स्टार्ट हो रहा है ये, और लेट्स गो। ये लास्ट हिंदी थी हमारी। नो यू कांट स्पीक हिंदी, तो लेट्स गो and we continue another vlog. This food is very beautiful. This flower is very bata flower. That was very cute and Spanish English. Come to Spanish बोलना चाहता है? Asking an uncle to छोला कुलचा. Like you want to eat छोला कुलचा right now? Yes. At 3 p.m. Yes. Sorry, 3 p.m. Right? Yeah, this is 3 p.m. Let's go. My brother want to say let's go and eat this. So bhai, let's go there. My brother is very hungry. You have food? You don't have food. Brother, why? I want to eat a chole kulche for your hand. From your hand. They wanna eat hands. Eat your hands. Very tasty kulcha. Every like brother. They also want to eat this. You have a kulcha have? You have right now? They don't have right. Don't do to anything to me. I thought they are packing to go home. Yes. हाँ. We have a masala and क्या कहते हैं? Only pickles और क्या कहते हैं? Now today I'm going hungry. Sister, see what they are doing. They don't have food, but my brother want. They are very hungry. Yes. My tummy is good. Empty. My brother. Empty and they want to eat. They are hungry, है ना? Now he can't. Little English. Little English. I have a little English to speak every. Lyle crocodile. Lyle. So now let's go. Your next क्या बोलते हैं? क्या? हिंदी बोल रही है. Guys, they can't speak in English. Man, they can't English. I can. He is not can. You can't. Prove this. I am going to. Prove her. I going out. He was drinking water. Yes. Drinking water. Prove. You can speak in English. What is the meaning of prove? I can't explain you in Hindi. So, Mama? Do you want to confirm to your children? No. They can. Not your children? My mama can say English, some English. You know some English? Little. I love you so much. They can't say, but we love her. Mama, he killed her at night. He is speaking to. She bro. She sound. Don't do insult of my brother. They can speak in English, but they are doing this comedy purposes. Yes, right? Do everything for you guys. For fun. Exiting up starting on road. Now. No tension. Let's go to ice cream wala corner. To Mwangi. Bhaiya nazering into has a big. No have. You mean they watch us? Yes. They stalk us. Yes. They stalk us. Oh boy. They are using Hindi? Yes. No. Come in Bravo asking for scotch. Now sis, go asking wale. I want chocobar. You have chocobar, right? Okay. You खर्च it. Go. Take it and give me 40 rupees. 10 rupees वाला लेना. Let's go. So now भैया you have a chocobar ice cream. Guys, brother, give us chocobar. They know. Okay. 10 rupees. This is only 10 rupees chocobar. So guys, brother don't have a change of this 50 rupees, so pay by all. Okay. Now guys, our second level is if we want some, so we also take by speaking English. So let's see they can understand our English or not. Today I am coming at my old home because this challenge was मुकाम तक पहुंचाएंगे at my old home because basically eat this choco. What the hell? This is this size was very little size. You now brother will say asking for a water, bhaiya, and he is giving my water because my ये नट्टी है सूखे. Don't say like. Let's see. Brother will understand their English or no. Dear, sorry. Yes, I am going. Please give me 20 rupees water. Please give me. Brother was understanding my English. Please give me one biscuit. Chocolate biscuit. Coconut biscuit you have? Okay. So guys, finally brother will understand to her. Brother was understanding me. I kiss my brother. Brother seeing me. What you? Mummy was to peeing a water. This is a crunchy classic coconut cookies. Yes, sir. This is a coconut. Waste money. Waste of money. Papa was going to hair and daddy. Papa was hair black color and daddy black. Mooch black. Everything black. You. They out there. They say every word Hindi. Now you out of the game. Now I know you can speak in English. Our dad directions why what they give. So he's asked. I'm busy. What are you doing? Now you call the father. Let's see what gives directions. They came here and go. We watch him to go like. Now Papa has और क्या कहते हैं? और क्या कहते हैं? नहीं. Now Papa has and on him today. Don't please don't. You can't. I think Papa was changing their room. They are close to our home. Let's see. Oh. So now we're going this road too. And now this is my house too. Ready? Guys, I said our dad is. So now guys, we hard challenge today. Now we have to go more. I want to because we want to eat. We are hungry. Also, we are taking breakfast at morning 10 a.m. So now I am getting hungry. So now it's the 4 p.m. Go to and buy it. I think they can speak. Bro, you can. Bro, you can't speak. I am tell anything. I have only. I don't to tell anything to any. Now there is my best man. Take a darshan. This is my Shiv Mandir. Take a darshan everyone and come to buy anything to eat. To shop. Today hot garmi. We only have 20 rupees to eat something. Yes. Challenge in 20 or 24 hours, 20 rupees. No. Also, we are doing one challenge. We can't take it. Yes. Guys, there is a brother go and we go to take food to uncle. Uncle, give me 2 kurkure worth rupees 5 rupees each. Brother, what is this? What is this? No. Please this is unscripted. Take some takatak in vlog. 3 piece. I have a 3 piece. Only 2. Because I can't eat it because I'm got pimples in my face, acne on my face. You also don't eat foods, guys. If you want to eat junk food, you can eat Doritos. Guys, brother, I know what are you doing, brother. This is not fair. This is challenge. That's my mind. This is not mine. Now it's a little was cheating. Can empty hunger. We are founding something to eat. This time is 7:30 clock to eat another thing. Point. Everyone is notice us. Yes. Let's found something. Actually, because more time later. Yeah. Call. Oh my God. Someone calling us. Wait. They call only speak English. Oh shit. You gone mad. You also talk. Because this is a challenge. Any call you pick only. Okay. Let's try. Hello. They can. Who? Where are you? Where are you right now? Oh. Tomorrow he's telling. Tomorrow you book down. No. Telling me to tomorrow. This is promotion. Yes. Tomorrow you booked us. Guys, we booked a sari for promoting. Because my holding my sari and now people will like her sari and say promote it and I want to buy it. You want to buy it? Please go in my Instagram page, Pandey Vlog. Leave it at my door. And I Paytm. I will pay you. I will pay you at a Paytm. Okay, you give me the QR. I can't open. Leave it my door. Leave it at my door. I tell her. Okay. Tell her. Yes. She is not a girl. I tell him. I tell him. Hold. Let's go. Tell him. I muted. And let's go. Bhai. Let's found any phone to eat. Today I am talking in English for order man Philip and he give me the order. Now guys, there is a momo shop. There is a momo shop, but
not open today. I am very sad, guys.
Today my dream true. So guys, we are taking from this these puffs. Today my dreams come true. Uncle, please give me the. So guys, let's eat this food.
Next
Then,
what?
Next Navratan, because mummy eat Navratan is favorite. Yeah, तो भाई. So guys, we can't restaurants foods or street. We eat only home foods because we can't want to खर्चा करना. This is home food. No.
Show food, show.
Only for entertainment. Come true. We tell you, we make videos purpose based English channel. I never know guys how was this vlog looking, but I want to only tell if you like this, please subscribe the channel and like this video because this is our first time saying more English because we know only little bit, only 10th class and me also 8th class.
Because guys, my subscribers very cute to comment for this challenge 24 hours speaking English challenge. So guys I can
I'm
accept
telling,
it.
I'm telling every brother age. Like my brother was only 15, me was a 13 years, 51 years.
Because it is a right. I am a was a 51 years old. Old person.
I decide to challenge this video. My subscriber was suggest me. Please don't say. Yes, I know you are. My public was. I know you are saying by comedy purpose. So, no. I'm serious. This say public you are comedy. This is my serious person. I am serious person.
No.
I'm talking a serious little. My subscriber was telling me, please try a English challenge. Guys, this is night 8 p.m. and we have to book taxi. We want to go home right now because we are very hungry. We are tired and hungry. Okay, first. This is our taxi man.
Now cab is
So let's go to home. This is our famous Faluda. Uncle will know us. So uncle, make one glass Faluda for me. So guys, finally I got it. Do see, it's looking like this. This is Faluda and this is Sevaiya. You know that rabdi or ice cream ऊपर से भाई. I pay the uncle of money. I have a lot of money. I am a biggest YouTuber of India. So guys, finally we go to home and we eat also Faluda at night. Now we go to home and there we eat only food. Guys, please go home and sleep it. I hope you like this vlog. Please like and share and subscribe this channel. So let's meet in next vlog. Love you guys. Bye bye.
I hope do you like this vlog.
So guys, मिलते हैं अब नेक्स्ट vlog में. अब तो चैलेंज पूरा हो गया. लाइक कर देना. बाय.